be careful. All right, everybody, be careful. Oh, hey, I got an idea. Andrew, give me your glasses. Aaron, give me your glasses.
No, we can't see either.
I don't care if you can see. I don't want it broken. Give me your glasses. All right. Aaron, get off of her. Hi. Hi, baby. Closing my eyes?